Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to add Bitcoin to Metamask. You can't directly add real Bitcoin, which is BTC, to Metamask, but because Metamask is designed for EVM compatible chain like Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chains, and Polygon. But you can add a wrapped or pegged version of Bitcoin, such as WBTC, which is a wrapped Bitcoin, to Metamask. So this token that lives on a network like Ethereum or a BNB smart chain, it can backed over 1:1 by real BTC. So to get started with a guide on how you can simply use the Ethereum mainnet as example. So open the MetaMask app on your mobile, then or your computer, then make sure you are on the Ethereum mainnet. Then click import token at the bottom of the MetaMask, then search for WBTC, which is wrapped Bitcoin. The MetaMask will often find it automatically, but if not, you can manually add it by clicking custom token. Then, so if you're adding manually, you will need a contract heat mainnet, which is your Ethereum mainnet ID, then your decimal number, then the symbol, which is the WBTC. So once that detail is manually added, after that, you will be able to see the WBTC balance in the MetaMask and you can also send and receive WBTC just like Ethereum token in your wallet. And here's a quick important tip that on BNC there is a BTCB Bitcoin pledge wrappers, which is the BP20, which is the BTCB address in your wallet. So take note of that whenever you're making any transaction. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.